Willkommen, bienvenue, welcome. My name is Carola, and in today's video we're going to do a photo challenge. I actually lost my original intro sound, so that's why I'm filming it again. But basically we have 3 photographers and 4 models, and we're going to do 3 challenges, and afterwards you are going to vote who did the best picture. So in the end we'll put all the pictures up for a vote. So let me introduce the team.
Hi everyone, my name is Shyam. I'm using a Sony Alpha 7 camera and I'm so happy here. Looking forward to take some really nice pictures. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harshit and I am a photographer here, and I will be taking with my Canon 90D with 18-55mm lens, and you can find me on HB Photo Tales on Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sama.
Hi everyone, I'm Alana.
Hello everyone, I'm Upendra. My Instagram is I'm Upendra. So, see you later.
Hi guys, my name is Annette. I live here in Paris. I'm a personal stylist and personal shopper, as well as Instagram influencer. You can find me on Instagram at Annetta_style or on my website. I will link it down below. And if you're coming to Paris and you would like to work on your wardrobe, change your style, find unique ethical pieces, send me a DM on my website or on Instagram. I will be happy to meet you soon. Bye!
Hi, my name is Carola, and today I'll be using my YouTube camera for photos, and it's a Panasonic FZ1000. Our photos are taken in 4 locations, so we're starting in front of the Notre-Dame Cathedral. Then we're mostly taking pictures on an open space between a flower market and the police station. We then cross over the bridge, leaving the Ile de la Cité behind. And finally, we're going into a little garden right next to the Hôtel de Ville.
Your challenge is to take a photo with the most Parisian feeling.
Okay, we have a challenge here. Your challenge is to take the best portrait of a model. Let's see if I can get it.
Your challenge is to take a surreal or artistic photo.